developed a method that I'm really excited about. I print a part out of ABS. I spray it with some acetone so it gets all sticky. Then I sprinkle brass powder on the surface, wait for it to dry, then I repeat 5 or 6 times maybe. Then it gets a really durable coating of brass that's embedded into the material itself. After it's set, I can polish it, and I get something like this, really shiny brass part. A nice bonus feature to this method is you don't have to sand your print, because all of the imperfections just make it look more real. These indentations just look like artifacts from a casting mold, I think anyway. So this is going to go on the boat, and after a while it's going to turn nice and brassy green. I have no idea how it's going to hold up durability wise, but I guess we'll have to find out. Well, the rain is really pouring down. It's time to get rid of the boat tent. This part comes off with a couple of screws, so I can remove that. As for the rest of it, I think I'm going to cut it down the middle so I get 2 halves that I can fold outwards. I think this is the safest way to do it without damaging the boat and without moving the boat. You'll see what I mean. I had my plan to cut it lengthwise down the middle, but while I was busy doing that, I forgot my plan and I came up with a much better one, where I'd systematically attack the problem from over here, and over here, and over here, from over here, you know, and then from over here, from over here, from over here, and over here, and some over here, from over there, yeah, over here, yeah. Yeah. It's just so cool to see sunlight hit this thing for the first time ever. Now, this is driving me crazy. I must have lost my crowbar about 20 times. Well, it's time to make a new tent, and this is what I came up with. The idea is to have something hanging from the boat, not touching the ground, so that I can move the boat easily should I ever want to. I also wanted to have as few pieces as possible, because I'm going to assemble and disassemble this every year, so I want it to be really user-friendly. Now I'm feeling pretty good about this. Let's hope it holds up in a storm. Now, I was excited to see the boat out in the open, but I don't think I was prepared for just how cool it would be. Now think about it. I've worked on it for several years and I haven't been able to step back and look at it once. So the day the boat was uncovered, I just walked around for hours, just soaking it in. So stay tuned for more progress on Albatross and other projects. Hope to see you soon. And as always, have a great day.